Hey there, welcome to the Review Matrix, your no-fluff, results-driven review channel. I break down what actually works so you can skip the hype, avoid wasting money, and make smarter buying decisions. Right now, you are probably paying way too much for electricity. Month after month, the bills keep creeping up. Inflation is squeezing everyone, and the giant power monopolies act like they own your wallet because honestly, you have had no other choice. That is exactly why a new digital training program called the Energy Revolution is going totally viral. It is an alternative energy system built for regular people, not billionaires. If you are tired of stressing over massive utility bills, or if you just want a reliable off-grid backup plan when the power lines go down, you need to pay close attention to this. So, what exactly is it? The Energy Revolution is not a heavy piece of machinery shipped to your door. It is a complete digital blueprint. It teaches you how to easily build a small, highly efficient power generator right in your garage or basement. The entire system is based on an old, forgotten design by the legendary Nikola Tesla, specifically his bifilar pancake coil patented back in 1894. The creators of this guide show you how this specific coil design takes a tiny, low-power energy source and multiplies it. It acts like a massive electrical booster. Instead of dropping $15,000 to $20,000 on a fragile solar panel setup, you build this simple, quiet device that feeds consistent, cheap power directly into your home's grid. When you get access to the Energy Revolution, you get a complete zero guesswork package. Here's exactly what is inside the members area. Step-by-step video guides, over-the-shoulder video tutorials showing you exactly what wires to connect and where. Illustrated blueprints, simple, clear diagrams that a 12-year-old could follow. You absolutely do not need an electrical engineering degree for this. The Master Parts Cheat Sheet, a complete list of exactly what you need to buy. The best part? All the parts cost around $70 to $100 total, and you can grab them at your local Home Depot or neighborhood electronics store. Simple tool guide. You do not need welding gear or heavy machinery, just basic hand tools you probably already have sitting in a drawer. If you follow the blueprints and put this system together, what are the actual real-world benefits? Here is what users are experiencing right now. Massive bill reductions. The main goal is cutting your monthly power bill by 50% to 80% almost instantly. Imagine keeping that cash in your pocket every single month. Total grid independence. If the grid fails during a storm or emergency, your family stays safe. Your food stays cold and your lights stay on. You are no longer at the mercy of the power company. 100% weatherproof. Unlike solar panels that need pure sunshine or wind turbines that need a strong breeze, this runs 24/7. Rain, snow, or the dead of night, it keeps working. Dead silent and portable. There are no loud gas motors keeping the neighbors awake or producing toxic fumes. It runs quietly in the background. Plus, it is small enough to throw in the trunk if you go off-grid camping. Getting results with this is simple, but you do have to take a little bit of action. This is a DIY project. First, you download the blueprints. It takes about 60 minutes to read through the short manual and watch the videos. Next, you grab your parts list and take a quick trip to the hardware store. Finally, you spend about 2 hours putting it together. You do not need physical strength or technical skills. It is basically like putting together a piece of IKEA furniture, but it powers your house. Once it is built, it is a set-and-forget system. You just do a quick, simple maintenance check every few months. Now, I know building your own power source sounds a little crazy, but the creators stand behind this 100%. The Energy Revolution comes with a rock-solid 60-day money-back guarantee. You can download the plans, buy the parts, build the device, and plug it in. If your electric bill doesn't drop, or if you just decide it is too hard to build, simply send them a single email. They will refund every penny of your money, no questions asked. You have zero risk to try it out for yourself. If you want to stop renting your electricity and start owning it, this is the smartest and easiest way to start. Click the official link in the description below this video to watch their free presentation and grab your copy of the Energy Revolution Blueprints today. Make sure you use that official link below so you qualify for the secure checkout and the 60-day money-back guarantee. Thanks for watching the Review Matrix. See you in the next one.